Hey guys, it's me and Skyla here. I didn't do the opening video and I'm really sorry about that. I was just really excited because I had waited all day and it was out there and we didn't even know it was out there, so. But, yeah, I'm just gonna give you a little look at her. I will do a video, like, reviewing what she came with and stuff so that you guys can get something about her, a little bit of some information about her. I'm using my iHome to, like, my iPod's sitting on my iHome, and this is what I'm using. I'm sorry. My dad's going to get his video camera and give it to me and let me use it with a tripod, but he has to find the charger. Okay, so this is going... Gosh, I wish I would stop saying okay. Okay. Here's my hair stuff. There's some elastics in here. There's nothing in here. But this is the stuff that went in there. I've got my misting bottle, which I'm actually going to empty out before I leave for the beach. A toothbrush, because if you haven't tried that, that works wonders. It gets like the flyaways and stuff. It works really good. Then I have my American Girl brush, which you really need. I'm going to be giving you some tips on the way. Yeah, there's her charm keeper necklace. Then we've got the campus casual outfit from American Girl. It's not retired. I don't think it is. If it is, I don't really know. But this is a bag from Our Generation. We've got the campus casual outfit. I don't have the shoes for it because it came with Skyla and the shoes weren't with it. These are just some off-brand shorts. Here's some Our Generation shoes and some Our Generation socks and a pair of My Life glasses. Those came with like a bag. I'll show you in a minute. Then right here we've got a dress I got from Goodwill, which is in sizes newborn. Then we have some My Life sandals and a bag. Behind that we have the pajamas. I'm filming this in my room, so yeah. There's a tank top, a pair of capri pants, some slippers, and a eye mask, and the robe and a teddy bear. That did not come with that. This is the My Life party dress. It's purple, and I think it was like the purple party dress or something like that. Maybe I'm thinking of American Girl, but these are the meat shoes from I think it's like the other meat outfit that used to be, but Skyla's wearing that right now, and I got this from Walmart. The shoes, I'm not taking the shoes